Hello, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I want to demonstrate something you will also like in your classrooms, something on graph plotting. This time around I want to do something on quadratic graph, but I would like to use sliders to do this work. Let's just create our three basic sliders. Just click on slider, tap on empty space on the screen. Let me give intervals for my slider, that is a minimum. Let's just take a minimum of, let's say, -10, a maximum of +10. So let me change the name of this slider to, okay, let me leave it as A. A is okay. So let's increase it with, let me increase it with 1. Okay, let's create another slider very fast. Let me also do the same thing, -10 +10. The increment of 1. Then let's create the third one, 10, the interval of 10. All right. So these three sliders will define my coefficient of my quadratic equation. If you don't want your slider to be horizontal like this, you can right click it, go to setting. You can check for the position. It is horizontal. You can make it vertical. So anyone you want, just click, make it vertical. But let me make this particular video vertical because I need some space to position my slider. All right, to just close, then to get your slider, just click and drag, you click and drag, you click and drag. So I want the slider to be in this order. All right. So the next thing is my equation. So this time around, I will use the f of x to define my equation. So just type f. Okay, cancel. We are not there. I've not clicked my input yet. So click input. Just type your f, open bracket. So I want it to be a function of x equals to. So remember your three coefficient a, x raised to power 2. You can get your power 2 in your keyboard of your Geogebra keyboard. Just click on that. Then you can take your plus b before your x, bx. I'm giving a general formula for quadratic equation. Then plus c. So that is my function x. And I want to have interval. I don't want to go too wide. I want my interval to maintain a particular point, maybe -4 to +4. I want to maintain that interval, -4 to +4. So just open your bracket, put your -4 less than equals to, it will turn to this inequality symbol x, then less than equals to from your keyboard, it will turn to this, then 4. So I want my graph to maintain this order. Just tap on enter in your keyboard. So this is the graph, and when you click down, you can see it. Okay, you can actually come here and change your value. So this one is telling us that a is 1, b is 1, c is 1. So I can do some editing. You can make a to be -2. Let me bring b before c. Let me arrange it like this. All right. So I can make b to be maybe 3. I can make c to be maybe minus. Okay, let me take it up. Let's make c to be 4. So you can see it. So I can actually change my scale. Just come to this place, click on this, just click, put your mouse on the y-axis. You see it has changed. Let's drop it to, I want it to be 5 units. So just click and drag. You see it's now 2 unit scale, but I want it to be 5 unit scale. So this is 5 unit scale, and I'm okay with this. This is okay by me. Just click and drag, then click on your move. If you observe, you will see something again. This one is still showing affecting my work is because I didn't put a bracket in this place. So just come close to C, just do a close bracket. So immediately you do a close bracket, enter, it will disappear. So you can see it now. So this is your graph from when x is minus 4, you see minus 4, y is plus 4. And you can actually change your values for your coefficient of a, b, and c, that is the coefficient of x in this quadratic equation. So this is another good one you can do in your class and close this. But before you close this, you can do your slope plot. Just do your slope plot. Let's type SLO. See, slope plot will appear. Slope plot of a function. So what is the name of this function? You can see the name is f. So just type f there, enter. So a slider has been created for your plot. See, it's plotting it for you. So that is one beauty of this work. You can stop it, click it, and position it where you want to position it. So if you want the point to show in your graph, all you need to do is to bring the sketch out. So this is the curve again, and you know your duration or your interval, which is from -4. Let's click and expand it. Okay, from -4 to +4. So just come to your point, get your point, -4, just come on the graph, just make sure you hit the point there, come on this -3, just make sure you come, just click on it, come to -2, just come here, hit on the graph, come to -1, which is touching on this place. So -1 is touching the graph on this place. Just make sure you click on the curve. Then 0 is touching it on this place. Then 1 is touching it here. Then 2 is touching it here. Then 3 is on this point. Then 4 is, just make sure the finger is appearing before you click. Alright, so these are the points. So if you don't want to see the label on the point, you can just right click on the screen and drag. Just right click and drag, then all the points are selected, then come to this place, come here, just click on hidden, all the label is gone. So these are the points. Then go back to your algebra view, go and remove it. So these are the points. So just like this, you're in class teaching your student, you have already plotted the point and you want to do a slow plot from your Geogebra classic software. So all you need to do, you have done everything down, just come to this button, just click on it and move this slider. As you move, you see how the plot will start plotting when it gets to this point. So you can see it's plotting it gradually. So it's plotting the point for you till you get to the maximum you fix, which is +4. So this is it. Another thing again you can do is this. Let's see. You can change the values of B, C, and A. As you are changing it, you see these values will be, the point will be moving accordingly. So let's move B, for example, to 4. You see all the points are moving also. Let's move to 5. You see they are moving. That's one beauty of this slow plot. Then as you move C, let's move C down. You see all the points are moving accordingly with the graph. C. Let's move this. I want to see when we turn it to 0, you can see it's a straight line graph. As you turn it up, you see it's moving accordingly. So this is one beauty you get in doing something like this in your classroom. You can see it. So another interesting thing you can do before I end this video, you can decide to, let me do something. Let's take this down. Let me make this negative. Okay. You can decide to bring in your quadratic expression on this board before you close your algebra view. Something like this. Just come to your text, click on this screen, then make sure you use this algebra symbol here. Then let's type, just say y equals to get to your latex, get your power. So we need a, come to this place, slide. Let's close our keyboard. I don't need the keyboard here. Remember your definition: A for slider A, B for slider B, C for slider C. So come to this place, touch on this. So that is ax square. Remove a and put 2. Then can give space plus. Then you have your b. So this is b x. Then plus, and give space plus. You can now use your C. So this is C. Make sure you take A, B, C from this point here. This is where you are using, not here. Make sure it's this place, A, B, and C. So this is our general quadratic equation based on this question. Then just click on OK. You see, it has appeared on this place. Then we can now close our algebra view. Make sure you click on this, click here and close. Then drag and position it where you want. Then you can move your sliders to where you want to put them. Position your slider the way you want it. Let me put it here. Then position this like this. So this is all for this. So this is an applet already in Geogebra Classic. So you can move your slider to slow point to plot your point. You can see them. You can change the position of this. You just watch as B change to 2. Watching this is changing. The graph is also changing. As B changes to 5, you see the graph have changed. As C changes to -8, you see the graph have changed. As A changed to 1, you see the graph have changed. So just like that. So that is the beauty of using this system to teach your children in your class. So that is all I have for us in this video of quadratic equation in Geogebra Classic, where you can actually do a slow plot in your class and your children will be watching it the way you are plotting the point, and the understanding will go fine and easy for them to understand. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do have a nice day.